Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got another awesome freebie for you all to check out. And yes, the freebies are going to keep coming and coming. Now I thought this one was worthy of a download and definitely worthy of a review, but let's go ahead, let's check this watch face out. Now the name of it is called Z71 digital watch face. I do like the look, I do like the simplicity of this watch face. Pretty much gives you everything that you need out of a watch face to see at a glance. I know there's one follower that's going to be happy with this watch face, at least one. Now in the AOD mode, you are going to get a nice digital time. It's going to be big and bold, but the color is going to be different than when the watch face is on. But once the watch face is on, it pretty much gives you everything that you would seek out of a watch face. You'll get your month, your date up at the top, along with the name of the watch face as well. You will get the day of the week that's written all the way out. I do like that look. And if you look to the right, you got a floating second hand that's going around the bezel of the watch, so you get a hint of an analog look as well. And the digital time is big and bold, very legible. I do like the font on this one. You are going to get an AM stamp and animated seconds. I love the animated seconds. And you will be able to tap into your music at will right there. Down at the bottom, right up under the time, of course, you're going to get your step status, floors climbed, your battery info, and yes, what week we're in now, and we're closing the year out well. All right, so it is inactive. So if I tap right here on the music, I can go into my music player, and of course on my steps, I can go in and get my step status info as well. Again, for a free watch face, people, I thought this was definitely a great look. No, you can't customize the color or anything like that, but considering that it is free, this is definitely a nice download, one to put in your lineup. And at the end of the day, it's all about you. What did you think? Is this a download or leave it right where it's at? That's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.